Hello, I'm James and thanks for joining me on Kalkine TV for the top ASX buzzing stocks of the day. In this episode, I'll take a look at 5 stocks making headlines this morning due to price-sensitive announcements, beginning with Magellan Financial Group. Global equity funds management business Magellan Financial Group today announced its funds under management for July 2022. According to the company's announcement, its total funds under management has fallen to 60.2 billion Aussie dollars for the month of July. Magellan experienced net outflows of $2.5 billion throughout July itself. During morning trades, Magellan Financial shares traded at $15.06, up by 2.94%. Also making news today is Orica, a company that provides commercial explosive and blasting systems. Orica has successfully completed a 650 million Aussie dollar fully underwritten placement of approximately 40.6 million new fully paid ordinary shares to institutional investors at a price of $16 per new share. The proceeds of the placement will in part be used to fund the strategic acquisition of Axis Mining Technology. Orica Managing Director and CEO Sanjeev Gandhi said that in addition to facilitating the acquisition, the equity raising will allow Orica to fund incremental trade working capital requirements arising because of global supply chain dislocations. At the market open, Orica shares fell by 9.59% and were trading at $15.55 apiece. The third stock making headlines from the morning session is Australian construction and mining company NRW, who today announced an update on the previous guidance provided on the full year results. The company is expecting revenue to be 2.4 billion Aussie dollars, consistent with their initial guidance. While earnings before interest, taxes and amortisation is expected to be 157 million Aussie dollars. Managing Director and CEO Jules Pemberton, commenting on the results, said they will provide more detail on the 18th of August, but clearly the business has performed very well despite significant obstacles caused by the likes of COVID, labour shortages, inflationary pressures and significant 1-in-100-year weather events. NRW shares witnessed a surge of 8.59% at the market open to trade at $2.08 apiece. The fourth stock making headlines today is engineering and construction company Saunders International, which today announced that it has secured $24 million in new projects across the group. In addition to these secured projects, Saunders is in final contractual negotiations for a further 5 projects valued at $29 million. Chief Executive Officer Mark Benson said that it was pleasing to see the record levels of tender activity being converted into new projects, and the expectation is that this will continue through to the financial year 2023. However, the shares of Saunders International are currently on a trading halt. And lastly, Australia's largest domestic pure-play industrial real estate investment trust, Centuria Industrial REIT, has announced its full-year financial results for the period ending on the 30th of June 2022. The company recorded $367.5 million in statutory net profit for the 2022 financial year. Total assets increased to $4.1 billion, underpinned by $765 million worth of acquisitions transacted during the year. Strong portfolio leasing activity, value-add projects and asset acquisitions contributed to its delivery on upgraded funds from operations guidance. Centuria Industrial REIT is trading at $2.29 apiece, up by 1.74% in the opening session. Alright, that's all for this edition of the top ASX buzzing stocks for the day. Another episode is coming your way tomorrow. Until then, make sure to keep it locked here on Kalkine TV for the latest market insights and business news. I'm James, signing off for now.